welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of motocross with the 2024 GasGas MC 250F Factory Edition. This bike has created quite a buzz in the motocross community, and we're here to uncover what makes it stand out from the rest. At first glance, the 2024 GasGas MC 250F Factory Edition impresses with its sleek design and vibrant factory graphics. The striking appearance is just the beginning of what this machine has to offer. This Factory Edition is a symphony of cutting-edge engineering and race-proven technology. The bike embodies both style and substance. Now, let's delve into the technical aspects. Powered by a high-performance 250 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine, this bike packs a punch in terms of power and torque. The refined engine delivers smooth and responsive throttle control, providing riders with the confidence to conquer any track or trail. The 2024 GasGas MC 250F Factory Edition equipped with more technology, elevating the riding experience to a whole new level. A new connectivity unit and GPS sensor on the bikes can pair with a smartphone and the GasGas Plus app. Smaller fuel tank, exclusive to the factory editions, the reduced capacity and size saves weight and allows air to flow more freely through the radiators, which leads to improved cooling. Redesigned front fender blends perfectly into the front number plate and houses the new GPS sensor that enables the rider feature on the GasGas Plus app to work perfectly. New frame protection kit made from 2 materials for improved grip. The black Mekin handlebar gets soft ODI grips. The handlebar is bolted to CNC triple clamps that have 2 offset positions. WPZAC split air front fork, new settings to suit the updated frame and rear linkage. Updated rear linkage, new, lower friction seals and a new linkage bolt. New rear brake pedal, improves braking performance in all track conditions. New Dunlop GMAX MX34 tires, revised compounds and tread patterns offer superior grip on all surfaces. The bike is the combination of its power, agility, and balanced ergonomics provides riders with an exhilarating experience. It's a perfect blend of performance and control, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 GasGas MC 250F Factory Edition is a formidable machine built for riders seeking a competitive edge. With its impressive performance, striking design, and cutting-edge features, this bike is sure to make waves in the motocross scene. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Experience the thrill of the ride like never before with the 2024 GasGas MC 250F Factory Edition. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle wide open.